mapapagod. Talaga. Kasi natataka mga tao, kayong kulit ako. Papa Wilson, umaga, gising ka na 7 o'clock. Tapos 2, 3 o'clock, kate-text ka pa. Di ka pa natutulog. They always ask me that question up to now. Natuto ako because of selling real estate. I always sell and sell, and I always go home at midnight. Don't follow me, baka hindi healthy. I will go home at midnight, and then I cannot leave one day without reading. So every time pag-uwi ko ng 12 o'clock, I have to relax. And my best relaxation is reading books, reading magazines, reading newspapers every day. So I would read and read all kinds of things until maging tired ako at 3 a.m. So, yun, na 7 o'clock, may alarm ako. So, secret, if you enjoy and if you're earning both, if you're earning and you enjoy, hindi ka mapapagod. I remember I asked, have you heard of Antel, DLT? Si Sir Antonio Lau is a personal friend. He would once in a while often invite me to his house. Nagkakwentuhan kami. Wala akong transaction sa kanyang business. Sinahulog na I should be selling something on. Good friend pa siya. I never sold him anything. Never sold for him. To the friend ko. And then he would tell me stories of how he started this business. And I remember asking him, uy, di ba kayo napapagod no? Ganyan-ganyan sabi niya, Wilson, kung may kita ka, hindi ka napapagod. It's true. What else I want to share with everyone here? I have some notes. Konti lang naman.